Hey guys, today I'm checking out this espresso machine that I received for Brews, and I think that it's quite nice because it has different functions that I think are going to be really nice when you are making your coffee. You get obviously the gesture manual and the start guide, and it comes really well protected. Let me take it out of the box first. Okay, and as you can see, it comes really well protected with the foam. Okay, we have different attachments that we're gonna be using it. Okay, I'm gonna take a throughout look in a second. Let's just start unpacking everything. Okay, this is the main unit, and what I think that it's nice is that it doesn't take that much space. It's quite nice. Okay, as you can see, and look here, we've got some. Okay, some more attachments. Okay, checking that it's really nice. Let's start checking everything out. Okay guys, as you can see, I have already set everything out, and as you can see, we have a scoop for we can place the beans upon this side. In here, we're gonna place them, and it will grind. Okay, upon this side, we have the grind size. We can go to 30 levels, which I think that is really nice. I will leave it up to 15. Okay, depending of the grind size, it will be the extraction. If it's a slower extraction but a more bitter notes, or a faster extraction that will be a little bit more watery. We got a brush so we can clean everything up and have it really tidy. A jug for the milk so we can steam it. Okay, on this side we have a steamer. We're gonna set it up like this, and with this knob we'll be controlling the steam, which I think that it's really nice. We have the handle with two porter filters. These ones are depending of the size of your drink. If you're gonna do a regular espresso, you will have to use the smaller that it's designed for 1 cup, or if you're gonna do a double one, the 2 cup. Okay, we have a temper, so we make sure that the coffee grounds are quite compacted and level, and we have these adjustments so that once that we are grinding it, it will fall obviously all the way in, which I think is great. Okay, and well, as you can see in here, we have the proper main unit. Upon this side, it's the grinding, and in here where we are gonna press for our espresso. We have the controls in here, and it's touch, which I think that it's really nice. It comes with a removable water tank, and we can also just open it so we can refill it while it's placed. And this little tab right here, we can take it out and clean it. So I think it's really nice. So let me get everything ready, and I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. Okay, let's go. With this all-in-one espresso machine, you can experience cafe-quality coffee at your home. From grinding the beans to frothing the milk, it's designed to give you a barista-level control in just one sleek device. And it starts with the freshest flavor. The integrated coffee grinder lets you grind the beans to your preferred coarseness, whether you love a fine espresso grind or a coarser texture for a lighter brew. And with the intuitive control panel, brewing is gonna be effortless. You can choose between a cold espresso shot, a rich hot espresso, or a smooth Americano, all with just a single touch. And if you want a cappuccino or a latte, the steam one froths the milk to perfection, creating a silky foam for all your favorite coffee house drinks. Plus, the large water tank keeps you brewing cup after cup without constant refills, making it really convenient for daily use or just entertaining your guests. And I'm gonna just go ahead and drop in the milk. I'm not good at making art, but I mean, it's the first try, so it smells quite nice. Ooh. And it tastes quite good, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, as you can see, it's quite easy to use. So let's see just how easy this machine can be. First, you need to start adding your favorite coffee beans into the built-in grinder. You select the grind size you prefer, from fine for a strong espresso base, or a little coarser if you like it smoother. And then, with the one-touch control panel, you can brew a rich hot espresso directly into your cup. Notice that the deep aroma and crema foaming on top. It's the perfect base for a latte. Once you have it ready, you can take the cold milk of your choice, dairy or plant-based, and insert it into the steam one. As it froths, the milk turns into a silky, velvety texture with a microfoam, just like in any coffee shop. You can slowly pour the steamed milk into your espresso, letting the foam float gently on the top, and you can slowly pour for a classic coffee look or even practice simple latte art. And for a finishing touch, if you want, you can add a sprinkle of cocoa, cinnamon, or even nutmeg. That way your homemade latte is gonna be enhanced and ready to enjoy. And as you can see, just like that, it's really easy to use it. And I love that it has different settings that you can use depending on what you want. If you want a cold espresso, you can do it and take a Americano, you can steam and the milk and everything, use it with the grinding options. It's really, really nice. It's quite easy to use. The instruction manual is quite clear with all the steps on how to take care of it, how to maintain it, clean it, and everything. And overall, I think that if you want a espresso machine for your house, in your office, in this case, I think that this is a really nice option. As I've said, it's quite easy to use, and I think that it works great. I love that you get all the different grind sizes. That way you can select if you want a more coarse or fine ground. And overall, and as you can see, it's really, really compact. It doesn't take that much space, which I think that it's great. And I actually really, really like it, and I will really, really recommend it. See you guys.